Hey Alex, welcome to my channel, and today we're taking out the kayak. I already got everything set up, got my new toy, got my Liquid Mayhem sticker, and I loaded up my kayak. Alright guys, let's go catch some fish now. Alright guys, we have made it to Mallard Lake, and I have my buddy, the Carp Whisperer, with me, so we're gonna get set up and see you guys in the water. Hey Alex, the wind died out a little bit, so I am standing on my kayak trying to fish some. So far no luck. It looks like it's gonna be a tough day fishing. I was marking fish a little bit earlier by the eddy, but we decided to come and fish the bridge first. So, and my anchor is not that well holding, so it makes it tougher. And it's a pretty stable kayak. I can turn around. out. Let's do traditional. Change the frequency. I think I had. Hey Alex, what a day. It was windy. It was real windy, and the wind just died out. Well, we didn't had well, I didn't had a lot of luck. Carp Master, he caught a few dings and a perch, pretty nice sized perch. But I didn't have the lures that I needed for today. I thought I can get away with jigs and jerk baits. Well, I didn't have any luck with either swim baits, jigs, or jerk baits. I threw a couple of times cranks. That didn't help. My buddy, he was using lipless, and he nailed him with the lipless crank. But other than that, for the boat, boat for the kayak, I loved it. I loved every minute of it. I did notice a couple of issues, or actually just one issue. Um, the plugs, they do get in when you're pedaling. They do get wet, and that was a little bit disappointment for me. But overall, I did have a good day. I'm extremely tired. I didn't sleep last night that well. I was um, doing a project for a friend of mine. But as you guys can tell probably from my voice, my battery's down. For the fish finder, uh, it held up pretty well. The battery that I got on it, I think it's 18 amperes per hour. Well, I wouldn't have to charge the battery for a long time. It didn't drop at all. It was holding on. I love the fish finder. I did got it wet the way I was pedaling. If you guys saw the video, I did got it wet a lot, but it kept on going. So that's it. I will give it a try again. Probably next week with the carp master again. So hopefully we'll get some good fishing videos for you guys. See you on the next one.